Okay, now that you have a plan and an idea in your head, we're going to move on to the next step, which is gluing our beans to our ornament. So you're going to take your glue and you are going to squeeze glue all over your piece of cardboard. And you know, if the glue isn't coming out, you can use your paintbrush and you can just open this top and put your paintbrush right inside. I use my paintbrush and get even more glue out. We want it to be a pretty thick layer, and we're going to spread it out over the whole thing. Okay, so my whole piece of cardboard has been covered with glue. I used my paintbrush. Make sure when you're doing this, remember that your string is at the top of your design. So when you're watching the video, mine looks upside down for you. So why don't I flip it around so you can see? All right, then you're going to start making your design and kind of pushing those beans right to where you want them. You know, if you make a mistake and I think, oh, I didn't want that one there, you can just pick it right up and move it to where you want it. You're gonna get a little bit messy, so afterwards make sure you wash your hands and clean the table. And you might want to do it on a plate too. All right, I'm gonna put some green ones. These ones are really tiny, so I'm just gonna kind of drop them where I want them. All right, I've added some more, and it's important that we fill in all the space because when this glue dries, it's going to be clear. So I'm just going to take my extra little beans and I'm going to drop them into all the space that's left over. This is kind of like my background. These tiny beans are great for this. Drizzling them in here. All right. So as you can see, hopefully you can see it all right, my whole area now is covered with beans. Once you get to this point, you're going to have to leave your creation overnight so it can dry. Then tomorrow, watch the next video to find out what you do next.